Welcome to Family Product Reviews. If you are new here, support us by subscribing. Today we will be reviewing the Prime Labs Men's Test Booster, Natural Stamina Endurance and Strength Booster, 60 caplets. It has also resulted in an increase in my follicle-stimulating hormone and luteinizing hormone, which gave the testes the ability to produce more testosterone. One thing that made me hesitant about buying a product like this were the ingredients and what it could do to my body long term. My only tip is to add zinc and magnesium to your diet to get better added effects to your overall health. It's not like drinking a Red Bull, so don't expect that. It's more like a subtle return of vitality that is definitely noticeable after a few days. Gave me more energy and seemed to help me lose stubborn fat around my waist with the same workouts and cardio as before. Gonna join EOS gym in 2 weeks and am ready to cycle these babies through to have me ready for summer. It took about half a bottle to get into my system. All supplements take that amount of time or longer based on my experiences, but once it got in, it gave me a major boost in all departments. To my surprise, these worked really well, and for a lot less moolah. It didn't take 24 hours for me to notice more energy. Prime Labs Men's Testosterone Booster, in my opinion, is the absolute best one on the market. Does everything it claims and it doesn't cost an arm and a leg. I've been taking this for a little over a week now, and this is my first experience with a test booster. Figured I'd give a test booster a try to speed the process of my body producing some after getting off that medication. After he began to take this drug in 2 weeks, he began to feel more alert, lost the feeling of constant fatigue, irritability. After searching for a supplement to add to my diet and exercise routine, a friend recommended the Prime Labs Test Booster. You have to eat and drink healthily, keep the soda, chips and snacks as rewards, not a consistent diet. Get a good night's sleep and stay hydrated. So if you're ready to get off the couch and take your manhood back, this product is differently for you. And although those side effects went away rather quickly, my chest, neck and face were all red and blotchy for the next few hours. If they were in gel capsules, they would be much easier to swallow versus the big multivitamin-like form they come in. Getting up there on Pride Rock and letting out that roar that comes from a place of raw emotion and entrance to the father world. I've shed 6 pounds and the definition in my arms are back to where they were before, and my waistline went from a 30 to a 28, and my core has never been so defined. Noticed a difference after a couple of weeks. Didn't hit me right away, but the energy and stamina are definitely there. Working at a desk all day, it's easy to feel like a zombie and not want to hit the gym or be very active, but this made a big difference for sure. Keep in mind everyone's system is different, so maybe some don't feel the same effects. It also could have to do with your age. I've been taking this all week and have truly noticed the difference in my body, feeling less tired and more alert. If you are looking for something to help boost stamina, help regulate mood, and maybe give you an edge in the sack, give Prime Labs a shot. It is difficult to tie all results directly to the product since it was taken concurrently with enhancements to diet, reduction in alcohol intake and other related drivers, but specific increases to libido and sleep can safely be assumed to be related to the supplement. It is nice to see that the main herbal ingredient does have some supporting studies that show correlation with what this product offers. Workouts have been more efficient, tracking steady progress in deadlift and bench press weights over the course of the last month. My girlfriend is definitely not complaining, also noticing much better and deeper sleep, although that may be down to overall lifestyle improvement. These are the equivalent to Goku's senzu beans, Harry Potter's magic wand, Thor's hammer and the full moon for that Twilight guy all wrapped in one. Was looking for a way to boost testosterone to increase energy, stamina for cycling and strength from workouts. Also doesn't hurt that increases your sex drive. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to subscribe and leave your comments below.